In this video, we will see code implementation. Now let's do a quick dry run of this code. So we will apply the first approach to that we have discussed. Okay. And in the approach to like the changes that I have made, so I will do the changes here. So you will get a complete clarity. So let's take one R pointer is equals to 0 and then one L pointer that is 0. And let's take creating my object. Sorry, this will be my object. Then I will create max frequency with 0 and I will create max with 0 and is equals to s dot length. That will be my. Now what I will do, I will simply say while r is less than n. Okay. What I will do, I will simply store the values in my object, right? So right now I am writing this. Okay, let me write in the same form, otherwise you will confuse. So if object of s of r is not is equals to undefined, that means if it is not present, what I will do, I will make it present. So I will simply define it with 1. And if it is already present, that is else case. So what I will do, I will simply update the frequency. I will simply say r plus plus. Right? So this is how I will define it. If it is not present, I will define it. If it is present, I will update the frequency. And when I am updating here, right, also what I will do, I will find the maximum frequency. So max of f will be my method dot max of the object that I have added frequency value in the last maximum frequency. Okay. Now if now while ls, remember ls length of the string substring minus maximum frequency. Okay, it is mx f is greater than k. What we will do, we will simply subtract it. Okay, we will subtract each word. So ls is nothing is r minus l plus 1, right? So I will mention this. And now what I will do, I will mention that I am subtracting it. So I will simply subtract the element l minus minus and I will move my l pointer. So l will be l plus. Okay. Now because I have subtracted it, what I will do, I will also find my new maximum frequency because I have subtracted it. There will be a change. I will find a new maximum frequency. So for key in object, I will check if my object of key is getting greater than my maximum frequency. I will update my max. That will be my new maximum. So maximum frequency will be object of key. Okay. And now this after this for and while loop. Okay. Now I will come here and I will check if ls minus maximum of f is less than equals to k. Okay. That means we are in a valid zone. So what is ls again? R minus l plus 1. Okay. So what I will do, I will simply update the max equals to math dot max of r minus l plus 1 of max. Yeah, this will be the code. And after this complete while loop, what I will do, I will simply return my max. This will be the complete approach of this problem. Now, what we have discussed that we won't like, so this will be a non-valid zone, right? Greater than k. And we will again and again subtract it. So instead of again and again subtracting, instead of shrinking it, what we will do, we will move with a constant size. Okay, till then we are not getting any increased size. So we will move with a constant size. So I will do it once. Okay. If I am doing it once, right? And here I am updating my maximum frequency. Here I am updating my maximum frequency. I am updating once. So there is no need to calculate any new maximum frequency because we are not going to update it. Okay. So we are not going to update it. So this will also removed. And now your code is simple like this. Okay. So now let's do a quick dry run of this code, how this code will work. Okay. So in the next video, we will see what the dry run of this approach.